Alrighty, we're going to be shooting a super test here with the Glock 48. I'm actually going to be shooting the advanced super test, so we're going to be shooting this from concealment here. So yeah, I mean the super test is a simple drill. I'll link my article on it down below. But we've got 15, 10, and 5 yard shooting, 10 rounds at each distance, and then the distance is equal to the par time there. So 15 yards means we have 15 seconds, 10 yards means 10 seconds, and 5 yards is 5 seconds par time here. Shooting the Glock 48, just standard 115 grain ball ammo through it, and yeah. I'm going to be shooting the top B8 on the left target, and I'm going to be going down between every string of fire so I can mark the target. That way it's easier to see all of our hits by the end. So, alrighty. So I'm going to be shooting this from concealment for the entire drill. See how we do, starting on beep. We'll reload here. Reholster the gun. I'm going to get my spare magazine out that's got more bullets in it and throw that in the mag carrier. Always re-indexing stuff. I'm shooting this from my regular concealed carry rig, which is just a skeleton holster from Filster, and then a Mastermind Tactics pouch using the inner belt for my double belt for my AWS gun belt. So yeah, we shot that in 1079. I was deliberate with that there. One of the issues I've had in the past with shooting the super test is I tend to kind of rush the 15 yard distance, and that just leads to more issues. So we're down 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to cross through these. So 15 is going to be a 97. We'll do a 10 and a 5 there. Okay. Now, of course, for the 10 yard distance, we're doing a standard test here. This should be pretty easy. The one I worry about the most is going to be the 5 yard half test distance, just because dumping those rounds quickly can be kind of a pain. So, guns hotted up, starting on concealment here, or starting on beep with the concealment here. Reholster. My grip was a little poor there for the support hand, but it didn't really affect me too much. I was gripping a little bit lower. I'm wearing these super long t-shirts because they're great for concealment. They're comfortable. They're good for the gym. They're good for outside of the gym. And it's just one of those things that sometimes they can impact it. So we're down 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me cross through that. Down 4, so 96. And we'll look at the timer here in a second. We shot that in 7:38. So yeah. Now, one of the things I've noticed is that it could be that the battery is needing to get changed and it's a little bit dimmer. Well, that's not the issue I've noticed with it. I'm using the RMR CC on this Glock 48, which has been an excellent optic so far. I like how bright it gets, but today, and this is something that won't come through on the camera, the dot seems a little bit dimmer. I don't know if it's the optic. It could be that it's just a bright day and we've got bright conditions, but I want to change the battery after I shoot this drill and see if that's the issue. But I've had this battery in here for nearly a year, so we're at the point anyway. So none of that matters right now for the drill we're shooting, but it is what it is. Okay, so we've got 5 seconds at 5 yards to dump 10 rounds here, starting on beep. Okay, I'm a lot of bullets on me. I kind of went to the when you see red, shoot idea here, so our score's a little bit more all over the place. Looking though, we are down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So a 91. Now, full disclosure, I haven't shot a super test in a while, let alone shooting the 5 yard half test with this Glock. It's excuses, but we still pass. So our score here, we're minus 3, 7, and then plus 9, so that'll be a minus 16. So our score there is a 284 out of 100. Obviously, I've shot a lot better with bigger guns in different conditions, but I'm content with that for right now. So thank you for watching. Take care.